Yawuzwa Nkosi. Yeah, amen, 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 amen. Yeah. Oh, Jehova. Chikubale. Chikubale. Bale. Oh, Nkosi. Yo. Bale. 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 Chikubale. Oh, Nkosi yami. Yeah. Yeah, ngabani. Yeah. People. Yeah, Bokuchalo. Hey, where is this thing? Huh? Quickly speaking. Yeah, Bokuchalo. Yeah, we have one John way match over. My God. You. Yeah. Right. The one thing you need to know, Ubuti, when it comes to ubwena, wonke umuntu unemvelaphi yakhe. This guy. So yeah. Wonke umuntu unemvelaphi yakhe. Ayakho umuntu ongenayo imvelaphi yakhe. Ayakho umuntu ongenayo indawo aphuma kuyona. Umtsinsi wokuyimilela uyise nonyoko. Umtsinsi wokuyimilela uyise nonyoko. That should tell us ukuthi with your father's seed in your mother's womb, imbewu kayise nesibeletho sikanyoko kuyahlangana, kutshaleka imbewu enguwena. Imbewu eyisisekelo sani sabantu bakini. Imbewu enjani esuke ivele kuyisinqumo esiphuma kubantu bakini. Ingakho ezinye imbewu ziyaphila, ezinye imbewu azifiki kwilingamenzi. Yeah. Okusho ukuthi umtsinsi wokuyimilela uyise nonyoko. Isisekelo sakho. Like it or not. Wonke umuntu unendawo or unabantu abakubo. Wonke umuntu unesisekelo sakhe. Ekugcineni yonke into ekumele uyazi ngawe nesisekelo sakho ileli lapha. emsamo wakho. Hayi ukuthi uzobuza mina ngwakomunye umuzi. Ngwakomunye umuzi mina kwenye imbewu yakulowo muzi. Ele uzazi. I always make the most simplest illustration. Ukuthi buka isibaya. Emandulo umndeni nomndeni bunesibaya sabo. Yini elapha esibayeni? Isisekelo sekhaya. Njani should be the question. Imfuyo yasekhaya, izitshalo zasekhaya, abantwana bala ekhaya, amakhosikazi abenomzane namakhosikazi akuleli khaya, nesisekelo sonke sakulelo khaya. Use your brain, sebenzisa ingqondo. Bafana babekhula bahamba bayolusa lapha. Odade bahamba nogogo baya kuphi? Ensimini. Okusho ukuthi food security ngesilungu. Food security. No one really talks about your role yamakhehla. Why? Ask yourself lo mbuzo loyo. Ask yourself lo mbuzo loyo. Bese uhamba uyobuza emsamo wakho, mina ngenwa kini. Why? Ngoba food security, so let's look at it in a contextual way, which also tells us ukuthi isisekelo sala ekhaya ngokwembewu yakuleli khaya yaziwa ubani? Ogogo nezingane lesi. Bani umuntu ogada isimo semfuyo yala ekhaya? Bahamba bayolusa lapha, babona abanye abafana udlalo qiniswa all that shit. Nah. Kodwa buye nezinkomo zala ekhaya. Meaning, isibaya plays a very pivotal role in who you are. Sakini. Ngifike mina la ngiphuma kulo sibongo sami ngize kini mina bese ngizofuna ukwazi ukuthi izinkomo zeni zidlani. Ngizofuna ukwazi ukuthi ubulawo bakini buhlobo luni likapende. Ngiubani mina? Masimba mani lawo. Indelele nje. Suka la usuka khona. Cabanga ukuthi uzongena la uzotshela abantu bakuleli khaya ukuthi benzeni. Let's also use isibaya futhi again as an illustration. Uma kuzofika ingane nayi ingane yala ekhaya isikhulile manje esibona ukuthi sifuna ukuphuma inxiwa, isifuna ukuganwa. Where do we get izinto? La isibayeni. Okusho ukuthi yena kuyabikwa, that is the reason why kushiswa ibepho, batshelwa abadala ukuthi ngosuku oluthize sizohamba nezinkomo zala ekhaya siye lapha kuloya muzi siyocela isihlobo esihle. Meaning the significance of isibaya is not only food security. Hayi ukuthi soyala sidlile kuphela. Hayi kumnandi man. Never. Kodwa isisekelo somnombo wenu nokuthi ninqubekela phambili yenu. Sona futhi leso sibaya. Hambeke inkomo zenu ziye lapha before ziyongena kwesinye isibaya. Nabo kumele babike ngale. Bavunyele ukuthi banimukele. That is the reason why fika lapha nimeke ethi siyakhuleka nina. Siyakhuleka nina ko babani. Niyakhuleka nina ko mzakazaka. Siyakhuleka kunina. All that shit. It's a practice engqongqoza kuphi? Emsamo. That is why masingeniwe ukudlalwa ke yonke lemidlalo yakhona. Hayibo gogo isehle emthini yini nani ngeke uyikhulumeke le language ma unyuwani. Ngeke uyikhulume lento engiyikhuluma ma unyuwani. Awu ngeke sidle nawe esiqhokweni hamba udla lapha nabafana fucking shit. Yeah. These are things that you need to know and understand. What does this entail? Kuyantshela lokho ukuthi isisekelo shuthi kahle kahle sekhaya isibaya sabo. Ngoba nazi-ke le inkomo seyifikile-ke nazo ziyabikwa ngendlela yakulelo khaya, hayi yakini. Zimukelwe ngaleyo ndlela yakulelo khaya. That is why bathi meniqedile maseniqedile xoxiswana kushiswe nempepho babike kwabantu bakubo. Leyo ngane lo dade usuke senjani? Usuke sesekulindeleni. Selindele ukuthini? Ukuthi aphume kubo. Uselindele ukuthi aphume kubo, abulawe kubo. That is the reason why wenziwa. Ma ukuthi nina mndeni wakhe anizange nimenzele izinto zomntombi bakhe. That is the different conversation. That different conversation eyokhulunywa lapha kwamalobolo. Udaba olubaluleke kabi lolo. Oliyohutshwa lapha etafuleni. Kwisisekelo samakhaya ogqokweni. Ngoba lemndeni ngalabantwana bazobe sebedla ogqokweni olulodwa. Aha. Yeah. Kwenziweke lokho. Lo ngane lesekulindeleni kwenziweke zonke lezi zinto enzenzayo, omembeso, bani umkhehlo yini, yonke lento enzenze. Kufika isigaba sokuthi le ngane ibulawe kubo. Ebese ihamba yomukelwa lapha kaMgwinyana. Mangawenzeki lokho dade awazi awukokode msami mfethu. Hayi kodla dadwethu. Yeah. Ngoba kumele uvuke ngale usuyingane yakhona. Yayizwa ke lo ndaba oba usuzoba ingane kuphi kuloyo mndeni esibayeni sakhona. That is the reason why wakhelwa ilawu lamlobokazi. That is the reason why before wenziwe yonke leyo nto kube khona ama-customs ngesilungu, kube khona izinto ekumele zenziwe ezizigaba zomshado ezenziwayo ukuthi umukelwe. Gqoke lapha isidwaba, thathe lapha umkhonto wakho, hamba uyogwaza inxeba lapha. Yonke leyo nto umukelwe inkosana. Umukelwe inkosana esibayeni, ingakho kuba khona lento ekuthiwa isigcawu lapha ya. Khona nizokwazi ukuthi nisine kube khona imidlalo. Lento lemidlalo yakhona leyo ngqabashiye unkosikazi ningabe nisamthola. Manje amthole kahlawulwa. Kusine kugiwe afike umthetho. Uyabuza umthetho. Buza umthetho. Ngabe lezi ngane zinjani kwasha kwacima kwavutha kwamalangabi? Why? Because lento besides ukuthi kumukelwe ngapha nangapha. Lo dada asekho ekulindeleni. Usesesibayeni. Mase sesesibayeni kwenziwe zonke izinto zakhe. Ngeke alithethe idlozi ngebhadi. Abanye bacabanga ukuthi nje uma ungena lapha uzongena ufike umoshe. Hey baba kuthakathwa lapha esibayeni. Emsamo yabantu bazokubulala ngempela mawuphapha. Ukubulala ngempela. Izalukazi namakhehlo ngazazi. Phapha. Yeah. Iqala lapha ngamabomu. Because the very same reference esoyikhuluma ngesibaya sakini sikhuluma ngomsamo wakho. Uma ingane izaleke ngaphakathi kulomshado, lo dada ungenile la akanangane, akanalutho nani. Aqala ukuzala ngale ngane lezongena la. Lezo ngane zakuleso sibaya. That is now a topic sesiqala sikhuluma about characters. Sesithi ke manje inkosana. Sesikhuluma hey wena. Sesikhuluma ngezinto ezikhuluma umafungwase. We need to engage in izinto ezikanjalo. Those are conversations that would lead you to that. Those characters. Children that have a specific purpose. Esibayeni. Specific purpose esibayeni. Continuation. So once we understand the continuation, food security is there. Continuation, continuity. Kuleso sibaya. Injalo nje. Then let's look at it ke ngesimo sani ke manje. Siya kulento ke ukuthi uma lesi sibaya sisisekelo sazo zonke izingane zakuleli khaya. Isibaya sinabanikazi. Isibaya sinabanikazi. Kunabantu abathetheleli. Kunabantu abayibalawuli la, abalawulayo. Kunabantu abayimabutho. Kunabantu abayibavikeli. Nabantu abayibanomzane. Bese kuba khona nje abafokazana. Ikhaya nekhaya. Sibaya nesibaya asifani. What does that tell you? It tells you ukuthi shuthi there are multiple energies kuleso sibaya. Multiple energies izingane zakhona eziwumtsinsi wokuyimilela wakulelo khaya. Umtsinsi wokuyimilela wakulelo khaya. Zikhuleke izingane. Laba abanikazi bekhaya bawelele kwelamathongo. Bawelele kwelamathongo. Nabanye bawelele kwelamathongo. Zikhulu izingane. Bese kuba khona ingane enesiphiwo. Ubani okhethayo leyo ngane? Ngqi. Those are the topics that people avoid ngoba sebeqamba amanga kakhulu kubantu. Uthi awuzovuka ekuseni usunesiphiwo yididi lelo. Abantu bakini emele bakwenze njani? Bakhethe. Bakwembathe. Bakwembathe abakini. Babekwembatha basasise. Think about it. Logic futhi again. Lezi ingane zizaleke kusisisekelo sesibaya ngaphakathi emshadweni okusho ukuthi lezi ingane nezidalwa zabo nabantu ababembethe abakomalume bakhe abakoyise badla ogqokweni olulodwa. That is the reason why you never hear ingane ezaleke kanjalo kuthiwa ibangwa abantu abadala. You'll never hear that. Never. Ngoba badla ogqokweni olulodwa. Bese siyashintsha-ke sibuke the opposite of that. Laba abangazange benze izinto bekuyilento ekuthiwa yichilo lelo. Ingakho uma selenzekile iphutha beligezwa emsamo. Ingakho uma selenzekile iphutha lengane aziganene sezikhule sezimithisene. Phela ukukhulelwa enye into, ukukhulelwa umuntu ongaphakathi oseganini nani. Sezimithisene lengane. Aziganene. That is why uphuma ke izinto ke manje ke sekukhuluma ngani ke ngezinto esekumele practices. That is where the practice comes in. Uthi uma kwenzeka lokho, this is what we do. this is the practice that we do. Oh, nale ngane, okay, suthi sodinga imbuzi la ukuze sigeze nani. Kodwa thina ngeke siyimukele leyo nto ngaphakathi esibayeni. Yodliwa lapha ngaphandle. Lesibikwe lapha ngaphandle, ibekwe lapha ebaleni ukuze kugezeke igama lethu. Ngaleli chilo elenzekile. Lenje mangazange ngenze lutho leyando nani. What do you think happens to ngane? This is now sesikhuluma ngani ke bathi ngesilungu alternative practices. Isilungu ke leso. Sekwenziwa imisebenzi ezane ezokwazi ukuthi ilungise izixazululo. Sithi okay, ukuze sixazulule lento sesizoyixazulula ngokuthi wena Jabulani, nazi ingane zikaDuduzile. Uyabona ukuthi awenzani nani. Ake sizicelele, sizimukele. Sizimukele ngaphakathi esibayeni ukuze zibe nesisekelo sekhaya lethu. IsiZulu sithi ayikho inkunzi eyabuya nethole. IsiZulu ke leso akusimina, isiZulu. Izisho nezaga. Parts of speech. Ayikho inkunzi eyabuya nethole. Neni ke ukumukela is not an easy thing. Ayikho into enzima njengokwamukela, njengokumukela. That is the reason why loyo muntu oyimalume nani will then assume the role of baba. That is the reason why umalume manje malaqala nenzele nani anmukele. Aha. Oh, ingane njalo ke. Those are the children. Othi uyezwa. Hayi mina nje, hayi into zami ekhulela komalume. Hayi mina nje into zami baqinisile. Because bazaleke kanjalo. Laba abadla egqokweni elilodwa bayawazi abakubo komalume wabo bayembatha ingane. Nalaba baxoxisane ngaphezulu kwaleyo ngane, basebenzisane ngaphezulu kwaleyo ngane. That is the reason why there are alternative practices. Ngiyakahaya grade ngibuye kancane. That is the reason why. Okay. Hayi vele leyo ngane izongamelwa abantu bakubo konyoko. Vele. Bazofa bevuka naleyo ngane vele. Ayikho inkunzi eyabuya nethole. Injalo nje. Idla ubulawo basekhaya. Idla imfuyo yasekhaya. Yonke into. Leyo ngane umalume plays a very pivotal role. Umalume udlala indima enohlonze kuleyo ngane. Ngoba ngisho noma kuthiwa ingane yomfana, uma izofikelwa isigaba sokuganwa, lo muzi ukuze ubikwe uyobikwa umalume. Lo muzi ukuze waziwe yowenziwa yini? Umalume. Njalo nje. Unlike lezi ingane, let's look at the opposite. Lezi ingane zasesibayeni. Vele abakomalume bakhe bazomembatha. Vele abasekhaya kubo bazomembatha. Ebese siyathola ukuthi le ngane inesiphiwo. Le ngane ikhethiwe ekhaya. Ebese singena udabalana lokumukela. That is the reason why in healing, ekwelapheni, these are normal conversations. ngoba kunento ekuthiwa kumele incengwe, kunento ekuthiwa kumele imukelwe. Azifani lezinto. Kunento eza ngendluzela, kunento eza ungalindele. Azifani lezinto. Kunento eza usuwazi vele usemncane wacelela. That is the reason why ezinye zeingane zithi mayizinto zabo zenzeka zisencane, lezo ingane kushiwo kuthiwa yo akusiphiwe kuyafika. Kodwa sicela ukuthi siyicelele kwabadala lengane ngoba ngeke siqede isikole, ngeke izikwenze ini, ngeke nani bese kuyacelelwa, icelelwe ingane ngeindlela ke zakhona. That is the reason why. But nje siyasixoxela nje thina siyakhuluma, sizivumela abantu basiqambela amanga. Sizivumela abantu basiqambela amanga, basitshela izinto kodwa sazi kahle isisekelo sethu ukuthi yini. Sazi kahle isisekelo sethu intoni. Kodwa ufuna kufika umuntu azokutshela umsamo wakho useGhana, masimba mani lawo. Masimba mani lawo. Umkhulu wakho kwafika lapha, ugogo wakho kwafika lapha. You need to tell it as it is. Ayikho into ehlonishwa emsamo njengomuntu, njengonkosikazi. Angiyibeke kanjalo. Ngoba unkosikazi kumele abe njani? Abe nekhaya lakhe kwelamathongo. Akekho umuntu othola i-royal treatment njengonkosikazi. The goddess. The goddess. And go and hamba ubuze lapha emsamo wakho ukuthi why. They must tell you. Why? It's the creator of life. The creator of life. La eAfrika akekho umuntu ohlonishwa njengomuntu wesimame in the spiritual realm. You go up north. Awunalipeni lapho kwento nibonise enye into. You go up north. They respect the curvatures of umzimba wesimame. Galactic prophecies, galactic ideologies will talk to you about umuntu wesimame. These things will engage or entice in conversations ngalokho, and understanding the godly figure or the godliness of umuntu wesimame. There's a reason for that. Sibuyele lapha esibayeni sakini. Lapha esibayeni sakini. So irregardless of ukuthi lapha, I've just spoken about two ways of being born. Two ways of being born. In wedlock, out of wedlock. There are two totally different ways of being born. Ezo indlela izinto vele ekumele zihutshwe. You need to talk about this because you need to understand who you are and how far you can go. Ngoba lapha emsamo wakho, lapha ekhakini lapha, noma umsamo wakho lapha, noma sisi nje mhlambe komalumeke, they've got their own rich vein of history. Just like laba abantu bakini, nabo banomnombo nomlando wabo. That is the reason why indaba yomsamo indaba engapheli. That is the reason why ingane engamelwe isimo sabantu abadala abasekhaya kubo, leyo ngane igcina iba nolwazi olungapheli ngoba kuloko ekufika bantu nani. Guess what? You also say it. Nabo laba bambili bayomukelwa ngezinye izindlela. They also say it, but they don't realize they're saying it. hayi sekufika idlozi elisha hey angimazi-ke lo mkhulu hey lo mkhulu ublind lo mkhulu hey sekufika idlozi elisha. Wake up. Wake up. But let's talk about le ngane-ke yona engamelwe-ke, or that child from wedlock. These guys vele badle uqobo nelodwa. They don't need permission to engage with their child. That is why kuthiwa benze njani, baya kwembatha. Yibo abakwembathayo. So asithi wembatha umuntu-ke owayiqeda indaba yakho, olela ubuthongo. What makes you think ukuthi lo muntu obulela ubuthongo uzofuna ukuthi usuke esibayeni sakini uhambe uyofunda kaMkhisi, uyofunda ukuthi mangikhuluma nani badala sokhuluma kanjani? Wake up. Because they already have access to their child, these guys. That is the reason why they will come forth kwingane yabo. Ithi leli ingane yakho umuntu hayibo esilokhu kubhonga ugogo la kubhonga inani basifikela mathupha enganeni yabo. Bahube nani, they have to introduce themselves kuleyo ngane. Fika ingane yakho nitshela hayibo wema baba hey kunomuntu ugogo kade ngiphupha lapha ugogo lo muntu omkhulu uyafika la uthi hey kunjani kanjani uthi anginibuze nina niyamazi. Fike-ke wena-ke nomona wakho ufuna ukumoshela leyo ngane nani, kanti leyo ngane bayafika bayazazisa kuyona. That is the reason why kunomuntu okumele enze njani, athwasiswe, because there is multiple streams or multiple portals that person needs to learn how to tap into, versus lo muntu okumele amukele. Lo muntu okumele amukele, guess what, we say it all the time, hayi wena mangibheka la badala bathi wena mele umiselwe kuphela. Isimukelo leso, ukumukela lokho. Lo ngane mele yenzeni, imukele. Ukanjani ulapha emsamo wakho. They need to tell you abantu bakini. They need to tell you abantu bakini. That is the reason why that type of a child ithi ihlalele nje ihleli mhlawumbe usibukele noma siyihlalele iPlayStation lapha ebese boom hayibo ubaba yini, boom hayibo nawe umkhulu ekhuluma nawe ugogo hayibo ubaba yini, ha uthi uyashayela uzubuka isibuko, ha uthoko yini lo, ha naku umuntu nani. Bayazifikela enganeni yabo. Unlike law, listen to the language. They tell you, these guys. Hayi mina nje ngawe. Hayi ngeke nje ngeke manje sesigodle nje kuphela. Ngeke sesigodle nje kuphela. They tell you, these guys, listen. Listen. They tell you. Just shut up, uthule, ulalele. You'll be saved from a hell of a lot of bullshit. It's a hell of a lot of bullshit you'll be saved from. Ayikho into esatshwa umuntu owenze into engalungile bathini ngesilungu njenge-accountability. Ngokuyo-accounta lapha emsamo phambi komndeni wenonke, asho ukuthi nje cha mfowethu Njabulo bra wami, cha Njabulo mfowethu, cha Sibusiso bhuti wami, cha Duduzile sisi wami, ngoba kubheda nje mfethu ngimina ngasuke ngahamba ngayothatha ini ngasuke mangifika laphana wathi lwami undana. Ayikho into ethusa le genge njengaloyo. Accountability. But guess what, makwenziwa umsebenzi lento yenziwa every day. Makwenziwa umsebenzi, this shit is being done. Hayi wesakhile ufika ngoLwesihlanu yeso sonke sofika ngoLwesihlanu ukuze before senze umsebenzi sihlale phansi sonke njengomndeni sithelelana amanzi nani, meaning we understand the significance of what? Of peace. we understand i-role yokuthi masenza into ezothinta isibaya sethu kumele kube khona ini ukuthula. Bese ngiba nombuzo ke. Nina ke nenza imisebenzi kodwa kunengane yabhuti wakho aniyibizi njalo. Niqonda ukuthini? Kufa umuntu la ekhaya akatshelwa uJabulani la. But you somehow think ukuthi uJabulani will not be told. Because nikhohlisene lapho ngamanga enu, nakhohlisana ngamanga enu nani, and you think ukuthi ngeke bamtshele. What if I told you bayakwazi ukuyifikela or umnikazi wayo indaba yena lo osengcwatshini afike kuyena lo uJabulani athi hey Jabulani hamba uye lapha kwami. Afike ngelinye ilanga thola usayidrivela nje afike angene mase abheka hayibo umkhulu usefile. Hawu kanti uthunywa uyena ukuthi hamba ubona. Okay? But we can't talk about these things. Why? Because abantu banjani benza izinto abazikahle ukuthi azilunganga. Zonke lezi zinto abazenzayo bazi kahle ukuthi azilunganga. But somehow, some way, si mix a juice, but we are expecting a cold drink, a soft drink. We need to face the truth. Face the truth, Baba. And that is the reason why abantu abaningi have a problem. Yani, yomsamo. The biggest problem ebakhona ilento yesibongo. I've explained it to you. I've explained it to you how simple it is to reignite that fire. But because kunabantu abayitshele ukuthi bahlakaniphile, bayitshele ukuthi they're going to bypass everyone. Ngoba nakube badala ngokwenyama, uyazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukuba mdala enyameni. Uthi wena wazala uzale ngo-63, okay sure not bad. Kodwa kusalayo kumnombo kama wakho uyilasborn. Uyingane wena, fucking shit. Uyingane. Thola uthi mina ngizalwe ngubanje. Athi ngithi ngiyi-2000 yeah. Ngo-2015 neminyaka yakulo muntu. Yo. Yeah, izalwe ingane ngo-2015. Kodwa ngoba iyimbewu yenkosana indala kunawo kwelamathongo. That is the reason why eminye futhi imindeni inemkhokha namhlanje because of that situation. Bathi bona ngeke size silawulwe ingane, ngeke size nani. That is why in olden days emandulo they had something called a regent ngesilungu, ibambela bukhosi. There was a reason for that. Up until ingane injani ikhule ibe spiritually matured, then they can take over the throne. But these are conversations esizibalekelayo. Ngobani siyazi ukuthi simoshile emakithi, siyazi ukuthi sithukelwe amuntu, siyazi ukuthi besithi sifuna ini angazi yabani. Hayi mina bengifuna nje ukuthi inhlali ipheka kimi kuphela. Ummono ongaka into yakini wena ufuna kube yakho wedwa usangene. Uyizale wena yini wena? Unamba bani wena kini? Uyizale wena yini? Uzizale wena yini? Those are things that you need to engage on. Ngoba uma uzale wena usibizelani ke thina la? Uthi umdala ngenyama doesn't mean ukuthi you automatically have. Ubhuti wakho uganile, your brother was fucking married, traditionally married, wacacelwa ubhuti wakho, waba nabantwana emshadweni. Kodwa wena ucabanga ukuthi wena kuyilawu noma kwinxiwa kamfweni wena uzofika uzohuba usangene yini? Now we need to talk about this into. Because those are all the reasons why ingane zabantu zimoshekelwa izinto. Incorrect diagnosis, incorrect rituals, incorrect families. That is the problem. That is the problem. Umuntu athi yena uselaphe 5 years or 20 years, 30 years, kodwa masimbuza ngomnikazi womsebenzi wakhe akazi. How? Awukaze wena ube ne-experience ukuthi umukelwe abakini kwelamathongo. Awu kahle we. Awumazi umnikazi womsebenzi wakho. Awubazi abayilawuli bomsebenzi wakho. Okusho ukuthi phela mawungabazi labantu kusho ukuthi nesigodi senu eniphuma kusona usasa. Mawungasazi isigodi senu, that means you can't locate isibaya sakini. Okusho ukuthi ngisho nezimpande zakini awuzazi. That is the purpose. That is the purpose of somebody going for initiation. Then you're going to you'll be taught something that coincides with what we do. Laba abantu vele basesigodini sethu, so akunankinga bazowazi ukuthi bakucije ngendlela esokwazi ukuthi ibe nohlonze ukuze thina sikwazi ukukumukela. That is the reason why mabehambile bayocijwa la becijwa khona, mabebuya umuntu avela sokangene nje ekhaya kubo. There is a practice that has to be done. There is a practice nemidlalo eyenziwayo. Just like how mangeniswa unkosikazi, there is a practice that has to be done nemidlalo ebakhona. After that bese ke akhelwa ini isigodlo. Wake up. Ayikho into abayisaba njengale nto engikhuluma ngayo. Wake up, chief. Need to wake up, chief. Yo. Many folks have a problem of locating who they are. Baningi abantu abangazazi ukuthi bawobani. Baningi abantu abangazazi ukuthi iphiwo zabo, ukujula kwesiphiwo sakhe yini, ngeke azakutshela. Mawungambuza ukuthi nina ekhaya kini, what is your speciality ekwelapheni, ngeke azakutshela. Nina hayi kanjani hayi ifika ingane ihlushwa yinto awazi bayiqala ufone hey wena khandela ibofu hey nangu umuntu uyanxaka la masimba mani lawo. That tells you lo muntu akanawo umsamo. Singayigwegwisi yini sibe ngqo. Akanawo umsamo lo muntu. Ufika kwena ngilethwa abasekhaya kuwe, mabe ngiletha kuwe ebese siyehuba esikhubayo ebese uzongitshela sambe sobuza kamakhelwane uyangidakelwa. That tells you automatically lo muntu ayinqonqoza indaba yakhe msana. Because kumele uthi mawufika with into angayazi abuze abakubo. Why do you think there is a practice, a specific practice? Yani yamoya. Umoya is fucking ayikho into edlula amandla moya. Guess what? They all know, but abazi ukuthi bayasi. Nangu umuntu ngiyangena la. Uphethe lesikhwamana sakho lesi. Nani okay usenze sikwenzayo ubingelele mina ngiyalalela ke mkhulu ungazongidakela lalela ngempela ukuthi mawusho lezi ibongo zakho ngikubheke ngibuza ukuthi indaba isibongo sakho singekho indaba isakazelo zakho zingekho lapha. Then I've got questions. Uvusela bani obani labo babingelelayo obani? I've got questions, chief. Bonza ungazongidakela. Why? Need to ask. Then, but me futha la. Ufutha ngani ngamanzi? umoya. Meaning, through moya wakho, uyawazi wenzani ukuba nobani. That is why mase befika bakini bafika kani ngomoya uyababona. Wake up. So kahle kahle umsamo wakho, ukujula komsamo wakho kuyini? Umoya. Wake up. Hayi ukuthi nangu la. Hey nkulu, hey unini kubekile bra wami. Masimba mani lawo. Masimba mani lawo. And that is where many people get it wrong. That is the reason why ezinye izinto zimabheketwana. Let's use the same illustration. Same illustration. Ambileke waye Accra, wadlule Accra, wabuya from Accra, waye eMumbashi, eLumbashi, hey ubhizi eLumbashi. Hambe eLumbashi, so lapha eLumbashi, from Lumbashi uyabuya uyawela, uye eBenin, mawusuka eBenin, usuka eBenin uyabuya uzowela uya ngazi kuphi. Buya ke no bra wakho la. Guess what? They practice the same shit to that, but they don't realize it. They practice the same fucking concept to this, but they don't realize it. Ngoba kufika umuntu abazi bazothini, babuze kulento. Why? Because abakubo sebamflathela, ngeke asoza akhuluma nabo ngokamoya. So nine sekhuluma naye. That is why the shit here mele bakuchabe ngayo to connect it to you emzimbeni wakho. Wake up, man. That is the reason why this bullshit masiyenze yona mase mangazi babuza yona lento, because this thing comes with demands. Comes with fucking demands. Then guess what? They tell you. Bakutshela usayithana. Uthi uzoba nemgomo nembandela. Imgomo nombandela yikho emsamo kunomthetho. Emsamo kunomthetho wakini. Kunomthetho wakini emsamo. Hayi imgomo nembandela nani. They tell you ukuthi thina esigodini sethu asikudlike lokho mntanami. Hayi thina mntanami lokho asikwenza. Hayi mntanami lezi zinto sunazo lapha esigodleni sakho ucela uyilahle uzishisa siyifuni. Thina sisebenzi kanje. They need to tell you. Bantu bakini. They need to tell you, hayi mina wamunye umuzi mina ngingenaphi. Nginandabani. Ukuthi sisiphiwo sakho wena sinjani. I don't give a fuck. Esakho. Ngingenaphi mina, I don't care. It's yours. You need to embrace isiphiwo sakho, not me. Anginandaba. I don't care. Esakho. You need to embrace it. Just like how with mine, I will protect mine to the fucking core, to the fucking last draw, because it's mine. And because it's got me to deal with. See what I mean? So ngingenaphi mina ukuthi wena wenza inani, I don't care. Ndize ke uspine ngekhanda, I don't give a fuck. Kwenze lokho into yakho, mina ngingena. Seriously, like written a guy. Where? That's the thing. You need to know who you are, Chief. You need to know how far you can go, Chief. You also need to know where and what can you do and what you cannot do. You need to know what you can and cannot do. Bantu bagini that need to tell you. Mina ngakwenye imbewu mina. Into kuleyo mbewu ngiyayazi. Mina ngiyawazi ubulawo bakithi. Mina ngiyabazi abanikazi besibaya sakithi. Ngiyamazi mina umnikazi womsebenzi wabo. Ngiyabazi mina. Question is you. What about you, Chief? What about you, Chief? Because if ungabazi ubulawo bakini, shuthi impande zasekhayini zokwelapha usasa. Full stop. Full stop. Full stop. And that is where the problem is. Need to engage Bafito in correct consultation, even when you consult. Buza. Hey mina wahlola ukhuluma ngomsame ngiyakufoka mina. Hey, ngizokufoka mina mfana. Blind. Hey, ngizokufoka bra, because that tells me ukuthi awunaso isiphiwo wena. Awunaso. Khandiwe lento yakho. And you're going to deal with me, chief. I'm going to deal with you, chief. Because ngiyazi mina into engiyenzayo. Fuck that shit. Ayekho umuntu osuka la isuka khona azongena la kuthina acathi uzotshela thina usenzeni. Yididi lelo. Just like how nami ngeke ngisuke esibayeni sakithi. Ngiyongena kwesinye isibaya. Ya senzozwa ngami. Aningitsheleni lo lwazi leli ngiqhamukapi. Igolo lelo. Eligqiza ingcili. Ngeke ziyenzeke leyo nto. Awukho umsamo yosebenzela umunye umsamo ngeke uzukubone lokho. Ngeke uzukubone lokho. Hamba yowenza into yakini. The reason why behamba bebheka the alternative or the ulterior energies or the ulterior entities is greed. Mona. Greed. It's greed. Ukuthi wena ufuna ukungcolisela abantu bakini khona inhlanhla zakwena kuphela, that is fucking greed. Mona loyo. Selfish, being selfish. That's what it is. Ngoba uma sonke na umnombo wethu sonke intende yesandla. Mina lo uJabulani angazi ubani, uDuduzile lo noma angazi uSithembiso. Yeah, good shot. Kodwa sonke siphuma kwintende yesandla kufanele. Why the fuck? Mina ngifuna ukuthi kanje. Bulale wonke labantu bese yonke lento ize kumina. That basically tells you what the fuck is happening. That is why abantu beqheleleni kanje. That is the reason why eminye imindeni ingahlalelani. That is the reason why abanye abantu bengaxoxisani nani ngoba khona nje wena nje njalo nje mawuyobhula wena mina lokho ngiphuma embhuleni wakho nawe njalo lokho uphuma embhuleni wami njalo nje lemza hey nangu lo bhuti wakho lo hamba ngemoto ebufu hayi ngiyakutshela awuyagadla hayi yabona lo hamba ngento njalo nje uhlale ebuza ngawe greed uzubona ukuthi impilo yali yangane ayifanele ubani wena unamba bani wena usuka komunye umuzi nakhona futhi uzongena komunye umuzi ucabanga ukuthi uzongena ucabanga ukuthi nje wena you in your stupid mind you think people can't see ukuthi you've been bought. In your stupid mind, you think people can't see. Ukuthi you've been drawn into it. Yeah, let's bring him down. Let's bring her down. You are fucking stupid. That tells me that you've got no clue. You've got no clue on someone. Your ancestors need to tell you. Hey, someone kuluma now. Hey, bro, I'm well, okay. It's yeah. Me, I'll play the game with you. I'm stupid. You're clever. Let's play your game. Let's play your game. Kodwa ngiyazi bazokutrapha and bazokutrapha mkhulu. See what I mean? You know how many people go talking shit, beqamba amanga, trying to taint people's images. Kanti bazama ukufihla ukungcola kwabo. You know how many people are like that? Bazama ukufihla ukungcola kwabo. Ukuthi mina I tried to kill my husband. I put a fucking bounty on my fucking husband because I thought if he dies, his pure sakhe will become mine. If I don't give him whatever, maybe his children or what, he will frustrate him up until guess what? There are laws in South Africa, and you're gonna find yourself in jail. There's a traditional court, my friend. There's a family court, my friend. There's a children's court, my friend. Things have changed, Mzansi. And if you've got evidence of deliberately denying, there are things that can be done, Chief. Mzansi la. Oh, when your part is to gather the evidence, make the phone calls, take the screenshots, send it to the lawyers, make the phone calls, make the attempts, make the tries, make every fucking thing. See what I mean? Same thing goes Msamo. Nansi le nja le has been trying to tap into my energy. Go and tell them ukuthi lo mfazi lo obeletha ngena lana usecabanga ukuthi uzoba yimina la Msamo. Ubani yena? Ewunamba bani? Ewunamba bani? Asimazi lokumazi, sikazi samthela ngenyongo. Udakiwe. Udakwe yiphi momosi? Udakiwe. You need to engage in these conversations nabantu bakini. Not me. I'm from another family. Ngiphuma komunye umndeni mina, and I'm very happy with my people. I'm very happy with nani. Kahle I don't care. Hoy, nangu ufuna ukukhuluma nabantu bakini. It's not going to happen, chief. It's not going to happen, baba. You need to engage with your ancestors, your own ancestors. It's the only way you'll tap into any energy yagini. Not us. We don't care about you. We don't give a fuck. Whether mawusebenza wena wenza ini hazi ini ngingenaphi, I don't care. I don't give a fuck. I do not care. Ngingenaphi esiphiweni sakho mina. Hamba nesiphiwo sakho ndize futhi mawuthanda. Ufe futhi mawuthanda. Anginandaba. Angengane mina. Ngingenaphi. And that is why now, when you've realized ukuthi they've bought people, when you've realized ukuthi they're trying to kill you, when you've realized ukuthi bazama ukuphambanisa indlela yakho, khuluma nabakini. They will give you a solution. They will give you a solution, my friend. Your own ancestors, they will give you a solution, my friend. The solution they will give you is on the basis of Msamo wako. Yazini mntanami, siyabona ukuthi bazama ukudingisa Msamo, ngcono vele hambe uyogana. Yazini mntanami, ngcono vele wenze ini. Thina sizokweseka. They will tell you abantu bakini. Your own ancestors. Not ukuthi ngizobona lapho ukhosi mana sebholi bese ngithi mina ya nganithola hey nina cela ukukhuluma nani ya uzanike ningitshele ukuthi lo lwazi lengane yakho qhamukapi thina sizokushaya physically uzozwa ngempama uzibuze ukuthi impama but angiyiboni kanjani ngoba sidelelwa thina. You need to know into yakini. Once you understand into yakini, nobody is going to come and derail you from who you are. I don't give a fuck ukuthi they did this, bahlangene secret society, bahlangene lapha nani nobani angina. Mina yabona mase nihlangene anginisabi ngisabi khona even more. Bahlangene you are even weaker. You are even ngcono manihlukene kanje lo izama nalo ikungcono kabi ngoba kune challenge nyana ngitho. Good shot. Athi ngibhekise ngala ba. Athi ngibheke ba. You know? Kodwa manihlangene kanje nonke nithi nithumela kayi1. Hey. It become even more easier. More easier. It's not even funny. Hey, tumela likhaya. Hey, khozi likhaya. Bangizwa?
Hey, dumela mkhulu likhaya.
Hayi teng likhaya.
Kiteng mkhulu.
Hey, hayi ngikhuluma ngamaSibomu singena kuzo lezi intentionally. Uyabona? Because we need to get to
khuluma ngani mkhulu?
Singena kumsamo uyazi nje. Uyazi now umsamo one way. Others still haven't realized that every single video is Msamo. Every single video I do, I make sure that I reiterate the message of Msamo. Even the consultations, I reiterate the message of Msamo.
Vele mkhulu i-daily prayer leyo.
Yebo. Injalo nje. Yebo. And there are so many people that have been misled. Yebo. And they've been misled and there are misconceptions about certain things. What? Because people have been lied to. What? Uyangizwa?
mkhulu. Ngiyakuzwa.
Oh, sab.
Bengisashifta-nyana lana ngisho ngisemsebenzini.
Oh, okay. Kunankinga. Hey, because we are at a point where manje we are sick and tired of being lied to. Kuney'ngane zabantu yabo manje kuzi
Hayi,
i-good friend.
nabo sebadiniwe ukusitshela amanga. Ngithi nabo samsho sebadiniwe ukusitshela amanga nabo self. Uyayibona? Ngoba hawa. Sebaphelele.
And that one is the most minor things that isn't ukuthi umuntu abanje. That one when I always say listen, umuntu uyaziceba. Just shut up and listen. A person tells you. You can't tell me ukuthi you are saying praises, but your praises have got nothing to do but your ancestors.
And nakhona mkhulu musi isithakazelo musi utshala abantu bakini.
Yebo.
Yes.
You know there's something that happens to you. I want to mina mawuthi shanda
Yibo bayakufundisa.
Kuya ngazi kuphi. You see what I mean?
Bayakufundisa mkhulu. Uma ngala nawe usho into uthi hey, ngithatha phi lento le.
Angithi-ke, and then they come and say it's impossible for umuntu ukuthi asize abantu bakubo. Then I've got questions. If that is the case, then mina mangibatho umuntu owaqeda indlela yakhe, kumele aphinde aqalela phansi athwase yini? That's my question.
Kanjani?
And that person comes to me and engages with me directly. Asho ukuthi okay chief, this is kanjani ini nani. Why? Because that automatically tells me.
And futhi omunye mkhulu uthola wenza into hayi ukuthi ufika athi yenza 1 2 3 akakutsheli. Uzibona lethi uyenza nawe so uyayenza. And bayakutshela. Kunala mkhulu ukhe wachaza ukuthi kunomenzi kunomlawuli kuna nani angazi kuphi. So what I'm trying to say is abantu bakini they will tell you ukuthi wena you fall under which category.
Exactly.
Uma bakhethele ukuthi wenze it's because bona ngisho bangale you are in the physical. So into badinga ukuthi yenziwe in the physical. You are the one who does it because bona they're not in the physical. What needs to be done in the spiritual? Yibo bayenza in the spiritual.
Aha.
Yes.
And that is the purpose of healing. And the purpose of healing is, and you know how many times I explained this, but people yangazi ikonokono or kuna iworks nyana. Yabo, ngisho ukuthi wena uphila la kwelikamenzi. Lana kulo mhlaba kwelikamenzi. You are still able. Elikamenzi, you are able. Bona, they're no longer able, but they are able to entice in verbal communications. They're able to entice in pictures, visuals. What about visuals, scenarios, thoughts? They are able to engage now. What? Why? Because they are with you in the spiritual. Emsamo wakho ngeke ubambe ngesandla. Because ngizothi mina uthi ubamba ngesandla umsamo wakho ake ngikubuze ngobhudi kamkhulu wakho uphi yena umsamo wakho lo uphi ubhudi kamkhulu wakho pho
Ngeke
ukhazini kamkhulu wakho uphi ukhazini
asoze and people make the mistake yakwenza ama round bathi umsamo bese yonke into kosa uyenzele lapho no asoze umsamo nanoma kusasa bangathi uyathutha kulomuzi lo uyohlala kuphi yazi uhamba nawo
what they don't get
uhamba
is
nomsamo
because you are umsamo wakho wena You are a division of umsamo.
Umuntu
You, wena.
oclean mkhulu because angisho bangcolile that is why babona ngathi ukuthi angeke asuke laphayana ngoba i-round ilaphaya ngisho ukuthi impilo yakhe cause iphelele lapho kanti mawuclean vele you can go anywhere as long as uzosho ubika.
Exactly. And even with spirits, we understand that spirits are everywhere. We understand that there are spirits that are dirty esingabafuni ukuthi angene into the household. That is why mangeniswa abadala uza umuntu lapha hayi abangcolile abahlale ngaphandle bonke abahlambulukile bangene ngaphakathi in meaning we understand ukuthi there are spirits abalela ubuthongo that have to come with peace, and if they are staying in harmony bazoletha inhlanhla, meaning we know very well ukuthi inhlanhla ilele kuphi kwelamathongo. Why are you becoming crazy?
Abanjani abaphahlelwa ngaphandle? Abanjani ukhuluma nabo endlini? Abanjani makosi ukhulume nabo kosi uya ngaphandle? Bese abanjani laba abahlele endlini? Uyasikhulumela nje endlini bakhona bayakuzwa.
Yebo. And somehow, some way, we want to become creative. And we want to become as if nani. And we fail to ukhuluma iqiniso. That is why today there are so many families that have a problem with WhatsApp, with abantwana, with imnombo yabo, because of greed, jealous. What you don't understand also when usungangena lapha kulomndeni lo wade ushade kona and usuzotshela bona ukuthi kwenzakalani kibo.
Bawaza laphi?
Uzotshela usilalelani lana ke. Le nto ade nitshela ingane yenu itsheleni mina. Are you crazy?
No mkhulu, naloma ushadile vele uphakathi angeke ubize umkhulu wangapha uyamdelela musa.
Adelela.
Asithi let's look at it in the physical. Mawufika la ushadele khona ebukhweni uyangena nje uthi hey shomkhulu.
What rubbish is that? Uyazithoba
angeke babize nje. Hayi.
Uyazithoba.
There is why manje even mawubheka in the physical ubheka imishado yamanje. Uyazenzelwa nje like akuna order. So
angithi labantu bahlangana nezinyanga.
So izinto zakho
afika ashade wena ebese bazokushaya ebona ukuthi uhlulekile ukutshontsha isiphiwo sakho ahambe ajole nesitha sakho ajole naso kulomuzi oblue lapha lo nevene emhlophe onevene emhlophe umuzi oblue lo nevene emhlophe athenjiswe into engekho lapha ngoba nakho efuna ukuthi babone wena uthi wenza unjani nani. Just leyo futhi it still tells you ukuthi those people kahle bayabantu abanonya bayabantu abanjani abanomona, you know, ahambe inja ifike ijole nesitha sakho. In their mind they think they're doing you dirty. Stupid idiots. Uyazingcolisa ungcolisa into eyinhlala kena ngempini sebenza.
Ucanga ukuthi Moshe akuthi uzoshela yena. Ngoba wena abanye bazokutshela bakhombe bathi bheka 1 back bakudlela lama movie bese bathi hamba phuma lapho.
That is why I always say
people have a problem nokuthi bona bacanga ukuthi ngoba sebayaziwa ngapha mhlambe bese balotshelile or nani sho ukuthi umshado angeke uphele. Ngihlala ngizwa abantu bathi hayi ngimlethele idlozi ngimlethele abantu abadala. Angeke ukuthi bathi wenza izinto ngoba wena kwathiwa waletha abantu abadala bese bona bazowamukela umuntu owenzayo. It's not what it doesn't work.
Imagine and the biggest mistake or the biggest misconception abayenzayo uthola ukuthi umuntu like the one when I always say even with your own child, my own child from birth, her first when she opened her eyes I was the first person that she saw. When she did her first blood test, I did it with her. That's how I know we've got the same blood type and blood everything. Because you need to make sure ukuthi yonke into yengane yakho wenza sure to the T. You see, make sure, because we know what happens in hospitals. We know.
Mkhulu.
I make sure to the T.
Besides ama-blood test.
Even nasemsana.
Mkhulu. Umntwana umnombo wakho.
Yebo.
Uzofana nawo.
Yebo.
Ufana nalaba umuntu basolo bathi uthola mhlambe basolo bafuna ukuconvince lo omunye ukuthi hayi asumntwana wakho usho ukuthi umntwana wakho
no basuke befuna ukuthakatha ingane basuke angeke bakubone lokho khona mina ngifuna ayisimba nje wazoyibona
umntwana abuye ayiduplicate yakaba babo yazi lento mara abantu abuye ayiduplicate
hey mina nginamasimba ekuzofa umuntu bona wami ungafa we hey and mina ngiyayifikela endodeni anginasikhathi sokudlala yeah yabona. And when it comes to spiritual or spirituality kind of side, what these bastards don't understand is ukuthi we yabona ngoba uphuma kumndeni wakho, you will never tap into my energy. Forget it. Forget it.
Soze ubani wena?
Ubani wena? Unamba bani wena? Hayi, isiphiwo sakhe ngcono kuthiwe esami. Isiphiwo sakhe silele esandleni sami. What bullshit is that? Ubani wena?
Sakhe siyamhlula ufuna sakho kanjani sakhe simhlula. Wayengafuna ukwazi ukuthi sakhe yini icala. Hayibo.
You see what I mean?
Ungafuna into yomuntu wena ongazi ukuthi wena yakho yini. I mean, it doesn't make sense.
Exactly.
And people don't understand ukuthi bayokhetha wena because they know ukuthi they will give you the resources that you need
to fight off these witches.
Yes, that is why bathi yeah laba banenkani. Yayi unenkani. Yazi enasham asinayo inkani njani. Inkani izovuka la umsukela khona. Yabona yayi mkhulu. People mistake
ulaka lokwenye level. Mina nginasikhathi sokudlala.
People mistake kindness bacanga ukuthi uyislim. Ngoba uyathina we give
unfortunately you're smiling and I think you can't see. Ha.
Yeah, and sizelo kanjalo we've got like inhliziyo ezinhle like nje naturally sasihlekela mara futhi ungasukela inyoka emgodini.
Omunye angithi abanye mina vele ngihleke ngikutshela ngoba manje mase siyabuka ubone ukuthi whatever is being done it was a caucus kind of thing. So mina ngithi mina if I am lying stitch my videos. I've got 4,000 videos here on the net. Stitch one video usho ukuthi namanga.
Salindile ngoba manet mabacede ukustitcha ne video.
Yeah, they know what is respond.
Nathi silindile ukuthi bayistitch. Ngoba kulaba sizovela sonke ke ngalo. Nathi silindile ukuthi bathi ayikho lento le. Silindile. Ngoba abobani bazothi amakhosi awekho. Amakhosi akhona. Bawazelaphi amakhosi bona?
Yebo, imagine.
Bawazelaphi amakhosi? Vele they don't understand because it's not theirs because they are not from a lineage of kingdomship.
Yebo. And what
that's
makes
why you don't know. That's
ukuthi,
why you do not know and you will never understand ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. You will never understand. Unfortunately.
And what makes a person think ukuthi yena? Hey bafethu. What makes them think ukuthi whatever you have ayikufanele wena? They deserve it.
Awubani yena?
Were you even there in my primary school days? Were you there in my high school days? Were you even there in my varsity days? Were you even there in my working life? Were you even there when my ancestors engihlupa I couldn't run anymore? Where I was busy shama vosho mina. Where were you? Where were you?
Besides even that mkhulu, bayazi ukuthi uzalwa ubani?
Hayi shwi.
Nokuthi loyo uzalwa ubani?
Hayi uphuma lapha. Uphapha. Uphapha. Uphapha.
Oh, what people need to understand ukuthi sesidiniwe.
Yeah, it's time.
No sesidiniwe.
Injalo nje. And you cannot come.
Patience has run out.
Yebo. And we're at a time now. Uyambona uMakhosi lo uLokhunje ngeke ngilisho igama lakhe. Uyambona ukuthi umoya ngendlela ophezulu ngayo. Akakukhumbuzi lo mfana omncane loya.
Yey. Musi ngihlala ngimlalele ngithi we. Yazi empilweni. Mina mhlambe ngaba nenhlanhla yokuthi ngoba manje ngathi manje I'm reliving lento leya. Ngathi bayababuyisa with other people. Yangithola.
Yebo, different energies.
Yes. Mara ngisho la khona nayo umfana omncane uyakhumbula ukuthi it was me.
Fair.
It used to be me. Yeah.
Angithi it's the thing yokuthi ungibone ngisineka, ungibone ngihleka, ubone ngi-welcoming, yithi I was, and then you think ukuthi umkhulu, ibhari yami le. Nani. Kanti mina ngiyakubuka nje. Ngikubuka nje uzibhayizela. Then when you least expect it, angisekho.
Abazi mkhulu.
Abakhala wedwa lapho ukuthi hawo kanjani nani.
Abayazi ukuthi uyathula, uthule. Umuntu bakade hey beka la. Hey. Basakufuna ngaphansi kwama dustbin. Hey lo muntu beka la. You know, people don't understand ukuthi sometimes nathi asizilawuli yabona.
Aha.
No, like we don't. Sinendlela yethu vele nje ihlelile nje ukuthi uzojika left ujike right. Jika la ungasahambi la. Hamba la nje abazi. Yabona.
Exactly.
So people bayanyaza ukuthi hayi lo usicokela amashoti lo awazini.
Kanti mase sithinta umoya.
Bafuna sinuke something ukuthi hayi angikhona ukuthola ukuthi what is the expectations ukuthi hayi wazini lo. Hayi si. Uzabathi kuwe hayi uyahlanya akanaso isiphiwo. Is creative. Azamagama siwatholayo.
Hey kade wawuthukwa wena. Hey. Yazi I laugh mina kumuntu because yabona if you are able to go and look into someone else's household and ubona ukuthi ama-plate wakhona awekho right. Hey nangu umuntu ozowenza ama-operation wrong la. Hey wena man Makhosi, damn it man. Sure.
Ama-operation.
Angithi uyi-medical doctor laphana usewenza i-6th year laphana useyaqeda. Alright Makhosi sokhuluma. Right sure. Alright Makhosi sokhuluma yena. Hey, unga-operate indlebe man. Hawu. Ngeke kumele operate la izandla. Damn it man.
And mkhulu yazini just to point out ukuthi yeah no kuthiwa ngisho ukuthi abantwana bethu bafundile ningabanyazi.
Yebo.
Bayambona udokotela ngisho.
And uyabona. Ubona nje.
Mina ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngiyini.
Hayi.
But sengiyasho ukuthi they must not undermine our intelligence.
Yebo.
Ilokho ngizokusho. You know we are not stupid definitely.
Injalo, yabo. And that's the problem, yabo. When people see somebody who's laying it down kahle or umuntu who's appropriately extracting correct information regarding into, it becomes a problem. Yabo. Yabo. And that's
abantu abana patience man, people that don't have like yazini azange ube ne-millionaire wayebona wena egini mara wena kusasa ufuna ukuvuka uyi-millionaire. How is it possible? That is why abantu bagcina bathatha izinto
bamelanga
besithathe bese bamoshe. Kanti mhlambe you were going to be a millionaire but uhamba ngendlela e-right. Uyabona kumele ulungise la ulungisa khona bese izinto zivuleke. Uya understand?
Sifuna ukuya e-USA nje bese siyathi I'm the great healer. The great healer. Want to be the great seer. ufuna ukuba umkhonyana we-country, umakoti we-country.
Umakoti we-country asoze
Yeah. Ufuna ukuba ini?
Abantu
People have illusions and they are delusional. People are delusional in this world.
No, I'm sure the thing is mkhulu masihleli si-group. Bese omunye athi ini omunye uyathatheka ngoba uba mesmerized bese uyithatha ngenye indlela bese ufuna ukuyi-practice. It's wrong, yabona. People must just learn ukuthi empilweni angeke sifane.
Exactly.
Even as siblings angeke sifane. We've got different roles as siblings.
Yebo.
Abantwana bethu angeke bafane.
Yebo.
Abantwana babantwana bethu angeke bafane.
Exactly.
So
and you will not destiny swap abantwana. You're not ukuthi just because ubona ukuthi lo mntwana lo akana fokol le ngane le izophila impilo eright ubaba wayo una yonke into, how can I steal izinto zale ngane sinike lezi ngane lezi engazona zakhe or some siyise lapha ekhaya? What bullshit is that? Awukho umsamo
ozokwenza. You can't. Abanye ufuna abantu emdenini bakufisela inhlupheko, like bakufisela inhlupheko to a point where they would rather sleep banganakudla net ukuthi bahambe baya kugogo sibanibani net ukuthi hayi mbulali mvale yenza lo
sivele simbulala.
Angeke uvale umntwana ohamba ngomsamo. Angeke umvale umntwana ohamba ngomsamo.
Yeah.
Because
angithi baningi bazibiza abelaphi kodwa akamazi umnikazi womsebenzi wakhe. Akasi. Mangathi umbuza ubulawo basekhaya kubo ngeke aze akutshele. Mangathi umbuza ukuthi baphuma kusiphi isigodi, hawu umthuke kabi ke lapho. And then I've got questions. Nginemibuzo eminingi kabi. Ngoba uma ungazazi lezi zinto ezisimple kanje usho ukuthi umlawula uMazi. Okusho ukuthi wena ukuthi into enilaphayo kini awuyazi. Wazini yaseGhana, umsamo wakho useGhana. Hawu kahleni bo.
Abanayo umsamo because
umkhulu wakho. Angithi umkhulu wakho lo. Awucela umkhulu wakho akhulume nokhokho kakhokho wakhe. Please. Isidalwa sesithathu nesine nesihlanu. Please siyacela. Ngiyazicelela ngomoya omuhle. Mina ngizokuhleka mina, ngi-expose ngitshela ukuthi ungazosidakela wena. Ibhlungu kabi lento okuhlusha abantu abadala. It's painful ngoba ifika la ungalindele khona. Ifika la wena uthi uziphilela impilo yakho and then uthi uyafika lento and then you have no clue of what to do. Ayikho into ebhlungu njengongazi usimele wenzeni. The most painful thing ever.
And futhi mkhulu they don't know ukuthi kunomntwana okhethiwayo kanjalo. Kanti lo mntwana lo yazi umsebenzi wakhe unzima. Mhlambe kwasayovusa umuzi ka great grandfather. They know that pain yokuthi usacanga ukuthi uzophila impilo yakho bathi hamba wakha umuzi ka mkhulu uzibanibani. Awumazi lo mkhulu ne? Awumazi mayobuza ekhaya bathi yeah umkhulu wami or umkhulu kamkhulu. You've never met that person.
Yebo.
Kodwa ufuna umuzi wakhe.
Imagine. Uyazi le moment le uthola ukuthi bayafika abantu bakini bakutshele ukuthi mhlambe there's an ancestor that introduces themselves. Afika athi mina ngingugogo usibanibani. Awuhambe babuze lapha. Uhamba ufika ubuza ugogo, ufika ubuze nalapha bakhona ngami. Yabo. Mina yakenzeka lonto kumina back in the day.
Bese abafuna ukuphendula mkhulu.
Abafuna ukuphendula. Andisafika ukuthi hayibo bafethu. Yazi ngiphupha umuntu ethi yena usibanibani. Uthi angize ngibuze nina. Ba uthola uyabona bathuka. Bathuka ukuthi yes sis. Kanti nje le ngane. Yabo. Injalo.
Bese umuntu uhalela ukuba uyi. Ngaleso sikhathi. And ukhalele phela.
And that's the problem. And uthola ukuthi that person or that energy or that entity came to you with the purpose yokuthi na uthi hey abutshele labana khona bezobona ukuthi ufana nami. Khona bezobona ukuthi I am one of your guides. Yabo. Uthothi uzobatshela lezi nje lezi seyifuna ukuphambanisa ke. Yo kanti nje lengane
that's the first thing abayicabangayo mkhulu.
Kanti nje lengane. You see?
And people don't understand. Do you know how lucky you are to have a child like that in your family?
Yeah,
They know how lucky they are.
basa.
Nazi ukuthi lo mntwana lo mani ngamsupport into zenu ziyochakaza. You will not know. Some people are millionaires out there, but they can't get to their millions because of inhliziyo zabo ezimbi fail.
That's the thing. That's the problem. Angithi we have come to isigaba or stage in life where everything is about the competition. Or mangibuka lapho umbatha mayikhuluma nabantu nami ngifisa ukufundisa njengombatha. Kanti hey baba, mina delivering or landing a message into engiyaziyo. Landing a message into engiyaziyo. Besides the spiritual realm, bengivele ngumphathi mina emsebenzini. I was doing seminars. I was delivering trainings. I am able to land the message. I know exactly how to. Kodwa ngoba wena uyapapa.
That is why ngithi mkhulu.
I know how to land the message.
They will provide you with the resources.
The tools.
I-life journey yakho will take you through every single step that you need to go to acquire the skill, the knowledge, the know-how. They will take you specifically through that so that you, when the time is right, you are well equipped.
But the problem is, everyone, uzomuntu uzangiza, hey umkhulu, ukhuluma ngenzuza lapha. Nami, let me replicate what umkhulu is saying. Kanti mina, what I'm engaging in something that I know. I'm engaging in something that I'm fucking living. I'm engaging in something that I'm able to demonstrate.
Inzuza emnyama, yazi.
Umhondororo.
Uyabona le ndaba yenzuza yona, yo.
Umhondororo.
It's funny how abantwana bamanzuza, they don't go out there bakhulume ngenzuza. Why are they not asking themselves, why?
Hallelujah.
You show the ones that have,
the ones that are still understanding. It's a journey. Yes. You don't just understand your ancestors overnight.
Yes.
Your ancestors need to gradually reintroduce you into different spheres and different portals that you are able to tap into on the basis of ukuthi nina nihlobo njani labantu.
Marabone, they've never even met their ancestors. Marabana.
Exactly.
Uthi bayibone phi bayithatha phi.
Lethi seba ngiyakutshela wena. Yazi. Akhulume kwikhethini lapha. Ubone
But the problem is, why ukhalela into that is
ungayazi.
Ongayazi, ufuna ukukhuluma ngento ongayazi. You don't know it, but you want to explain.
And do you know ukuthi not everybody has to teach.
Uyisangoma mara ufuna ukukhuluma ngenzuzo.
Imagine. Do you know ukuthi not everybody has to teach.
Thina sanhleka, we are laughing at you. Angeke ugite laphayana bese uzositshela ngenzuzo. No, there's no way. Akwenzeki. Never. Never. Because Tina will understand ukuthi it's a journey. Wena namuhla wena kusasa wena nzuza this nzuza that. Amanda with this, Amanda with that. It's a journey.
Yeah. The problem is abantu babulawa greed, yabo. Yabona greed is the biggest downfall to many people that actually have a gift.
And envy.
Yes, and envy. Yabo. And that's the problem. You can't mfethu ubuka omunye umuntu ekhuluma udaba lakubo ebese wena ufuna ukukhuluma udaba lakubo. You are stupid, bro.
Nami sengibizi umsamo. Why are we not talking about umsamo, the rest of us?
It's exactly.
Why are we not repeating what you are saying?
Aha.
Why?
Because akulona iculo lakho lelo. It's not ihubo lakho.
Bona babhizi, umsamo.
Meanwhile akanayo njalo.
Because uzophelela, that is why baphelelwe endleleni.
That's why uphethe umhondororo la umkhulu wakhe. Umkhulu wakhe lo uphuma eGhana, eAccra. Yabo. Wena Sibalikhulu, umkhulu wakho uphuma eAccra eGhana. Yabo. Zomhleka. Uphuma ke umkhulu wakho lo umhondororo. Now umkhulu wakho.
Ozomthatha. Damn it. When you are bored, angena TikTok ngiyakutshela.
Uhleka uzulana.
Uhleka amehlo abebuhlungu manje.
That's the problem. Yabona. Hey, and but let's listen to logic. So if this is your grandpa or your grandma, where are his or her siblings? Please explain. Where are her children? Where are her ancestors, her grandparents, and what? Where are they? See? And then now, you have it's not nice anymore. It's not a nice topic anymore.
No, uhlele no sesika gogo wakhe. Kodwa ugogo wakhe usesigubhini. Does it make sense?
No, awungiyeka wena. Awungiyeka. See?
Yeah, bayahamba bayabavusa musi. Phela into ekhona.
Awungiyeka. Yabo. Now kulapho Sibalikhulu nomhondororo. Yambona ngathi uyamhlupha lapha umhondororo.
Umhondororo. Naye beka githi umhondororo.
Awukahle. And that's the problem. And as if it's to this thing, you don't have to be creative. Just tell your story. Just fucking tell your story. That's
exactly.
Because your story in the just shut up. I should say, Buffett, Mangala 2001 or 2009. The people will relate. Those that are like you will relate. Just tell your story. Just tell your own story. Udaba lakho indaba engapheli. Umsamo wakho indaba engapheli.
The other problem is it when I'm cool. Abantu bajaha, abantu abadala. Bayabajaha. Kushukuthi mhlambe lese ba uthole umlayezo namuhla ukuthi yenza so or uthole instruction ukuthi yenza so. Hey man, they can't wait for the next step. Hey, manje
the problem is
bese baya backslide bahambe bayenga.
Into ekhulunywa umkhulu lapha ngathi ngakhulunywa yimina. Impilo yamkhulu ifanele mina. Yimina fanele ngabe ngiphika lena impilo yamkhulu. Utakiwe msunu kanyoka. Awukuphi wena ngizalwa? Awukuphi mina ngikhulu esikoleni? Do you know the pain I was going through ngisayingane? Do you fucking know the fucking pain ebengidlula kuyona ngisakhula nani? Do you know the pain yongahlali nabazali bakho? Do you know that? Do you know the fucking pain? Do you fucking uyabona ukhuluma ukuphapha nje. That's all.
Besides knowing the pain that you went through mkhulu, will they be able to withstand it?
Angazi ukuphapha.
Yeah.
Ukuphapha.
Because sometimes people don't know what we go through.
Yeah.
And then bona bathi hayi ngathi kulula mos uhlalahleka ngathi kulula. But they don't know. Do they know ukuthi you know that time where they start showing you ama movie ukuthi kahle kahle abantu baso. Do you know how painful it is to learn ukuthi
ubhuti wakho ukufuna ufile yo lenja they want to be you. Do you know how painful that shit is?
Yes.
Usasho lokho ngiphendile yokushiya impilo yakho nje
wakho okhule naye nidlala nonke kanti unjani sakafuna lokho ufuna lokho ukuhambela abantu yo
angithi njalo mahambo uhlale kuyobhulwa ngawo and then mase bangasakwazi ukubhula ngawe bayaqala bayamangala manje uthi yo wenze kanjani wenze kanjani
hayi mama sebahlulekile ukubhula ngawe mkhulu bathatha abantwana bayobhula ngabo
angithi that is why we disconnect the child way before that phela siyakwazi ukudisconnect ingane uthi uyobheka vele kuthiwa ubaba wayo. We can do that. uthi nithi nizama ukutshontsha iy'nhlanhla zengane nani. Do you know ukuthi ingane yakho uyakwazi ukuthi ufike kuyona ngokamoya uzwe yonke into ekhulunywa kuyona? Do you know that?
Yebo.
You can go wazi ukuthi uhleli ingane yakho awuhlali nayo kodwa hey bafethu ayithi ngiyithule.
Kanti yini umoya? Kanti umoya udinga isikhiya na. Udinga isikhiya.
Usegana ukahle wena.
Sofika nini eGhana?
Usegana. Hondororo.
Lo wasegana lo. Udinga transportation.
Imagine. Yazi inhlamba enjani leyo nto kwabantu bakini bafethu? Inhlamba leyo. Do you know ukuthi yazi mangichaza ngisho ukuthi ayikho into ebhlungu njengokwamukela isiphiwo sakho. It's the most difficult thing because ifika lento uthola ukuthi it's either you're going through the most toughest of times. Ubone ukuthi yes. That's the reason why abantu abaningi when it happens uthothi kuyenzeka manje imali akanayo. Akasebenzi. Uphelele. Uthe abantu bazongidakela lapho manje mina ngizoqala kanjani lento le? No, serious. And it's painful. And they start taking away lezi zinto oyithandayo. Uthi uyabheka hayibo. How? Gone. Hayibo, yini gone. Hayibo, yini gone.
They strip everything. But what people need to understand, ukuthi, it is important ukuthi when you are going through that situation where kumele uqale uhambo lwakho and you don't have anything, you go back to the very same people. Ubuyele emsamo. Uthi phela ngiyotholile umlayezo ngiyabona ukuthi kusona but anginalutho.
And that's
because
the thing.
It's them that has to make a plan.
The thing is,
so manje abantu bayacakeka umuntu athi hey mara hey bese kubhethe west because if you don't do what they tell you to do kuba ngathi wena awufuni or uyadelela. They don't take it. Angisho report awubatshela ukuthi what so iba ngathi hey sakuthuma phela. You must take this thing as wena nengane yakho la emhlabeni. For example mawuthi hey wena Joseph hamba uyongikhela amanzi bese uhleli phansi uJoseph kanti mhlambe ulimela inyawo
mangathi impama elandelayo isitembu nje silandelayo umsunu wanyoka ngithe hamba uthathi isitembu vele
silandelayo akusala thukane once.
Hey mina bengihleke mina yabona manje uthola umlayezo mina ukutholi uthola hey uthe ubuyazi fana abantu esikoxa ngabo ukuthi bano forward onjani. That's the problem
manje. Ela mabase bakwatile nawe uzozibona ukuthi uthi futhek manje abantu bamangala ukuthi we uthi bufuthek
vele wavula nje kule ndoda yindaba. See, and that's the problem. It's because we want to replicate so much. Abantu banomona bafethu and yazi lento it kills so many people.
It kills you as a person also. Exactly. Because what people need also mkhulu, I think what people need to understand ukuthi the minute you feel like you are pushing against, like ngathi you are always fighting, it's because you are not aligned in the purpose yakho. The minute you feel ngathi kunento soloko wena you are pushing against impilo nje uyaliwa, it means you are not on the right path. You are not on the right path because if you are matching what you're supposed to be, you hamba le ndlela la yokulidela to your destiny. You shouldn't feel. I'm not saying it must be easy, but I'm saying you have your elders, you have your guides to guide you and assist you. If you're not on that path, because they are on that path, kuna different stages where you meet different. If you have, and so,
exactly.
But you go through different timelines. Yes, exactly. So if you get to this phase and then there's another guy that must assist you, and when now offer how are they going to assist you? Because you're not lindile in the next phase. When I feel kule phase so offer uyegana. So angeke ngimthole Ghana ukulinde lapha endleleni bayazi ukuthi
Mama
people
Do.
must
Yamazi
understand
Mama
ukuthi
Do. Mama Do lo. So, Mama Do. Damn it, man.
people must understand ukuthi as much as it's difficult, you are making it more difficult if you are not following instructions. Because instructions it's not a you know a message you can say, yeah, I did not understand, wara. But when it's an instruction and then you don't do the
You don't
instruction,
comply.
yo,
Uzuza. Hayi
yo.
kulungile. Wewakho, hayi Nkosi yami yezwa. Yeah, hayi asibaleke kancane sizobuya sikhulume. Yeah.
Alright,
People are used to
ngiyakuzwa.
abantu sebejwayele ama consultation. Hayi ngisamile. Mhlawumbe mangithanda siyabuya ntambama ngisha ama consultation 3 hours futhi straight. It is what it is.
Bazo requesta bonke. But okay, it's fine.
Requestile nje uyabazi nje. They're stupid. They think ukuthi we can't feel them.
But
Angithi
I
uyayazi nje
want to point out I want to point out a very important thing. So when you get an opportunity to get onto life and then you request the consultation and then Umkhulu accepts and then you speak to Umkhulu, it's not your doing. You must never think ukuthi it's your doing.
Because I could
Abantu
accept
bagini
anyone
have
else. I can accept anyone else. Why you?
Exactly.
Why
Abantu
you?
abagini, they have let you there. So you must never take it for granted. And ngihlala ngizwa abantu but anginamali. Guys, it does not start with money. It starts with
Exactly.
communication.
No, the thing is,
Yazi
people when they say things like that,
imali.
hayi, ilula lento. Angithi awunayo imali, hamba emsamo wakho ke. Good shot. Angithi abakunikanga imali, hamba
Ilento
emsamo
yishoyo
wakho.
mkhulu
It's
ukuthi
easy this thing.
icala
It's
nge-communication
very easy
ukuthi
this thing.
ngihambi
Kodwa mina ngeke fana mina
Yima
ngiyeke
mkhulu,
ukulapha abanye
ngiyakwazi
abantu
wena
uzolapha wena
ukwatisa.
ngizwa igolo lelo. Ngeke ubone lokho. Ngafa.
Yima mkhulu. So
Ngafa.
angisho uthole ngiyakwazi ukayisukisa manje. Angisho uthole i-opportunity ukuthi ukhulume nomkhulu bese awunamali awunafokolo ifamily yakho ikujikele abafuna ukusiza nani konke lokho.
Bonke nje bahlushwa into eyodwa. Come
The
on,
first
we are not
step-
stupid. We are not stupid.
The
Man.
first step was
Wonke umuntu uhlushwa into eyodwa.
Hayi, la
Come
bantu
on, man, we are not stupid, man. Hawu, fuseke.
hayi anginandaba nabathakathi mina ngikhuluma ngabantwana abadinga usizo rere. Ngikhuluma nalabantwana laba abadinga usizo rere abalethwe abantu abakubo. Uma unganamali family yenzeni uthembela ubani, that was the first step ukuthi uthole ukuthi vele nje kunenkinga unesiphiwo nani. The second step you must go back and say ngiwutholile umlayezo or
Aha.
confirmation yokuthi lento le bengiyicabanga or lento lo maphupho lawo kahle yini nikhuluma nami nani. Kodwa i-situation
Otherwise, we start charging. Otherwise we start charging. Ungene usubhadele. Angithi siyajwayelana. Ayijwayelane ke.
sayilungisa.
Otherwise we start charging. Injalo nje. Hayi ayincengene phela ekuthini. You don't have to
That is why I make it clear ukuthi
Mangafuna funi. Hoyibo.
that is why I
Injalo
make it clear mkhulu ukuthi it's an opportunity and it does not come from you. It does not come from you, the person. Don't think ukuthi wena uyiclever uzowenza into. Noma bakuthumile ngoba siyazi ukuthi bayanithuma abugobela beni.
Vele. Ayibhathengiwe Secret Society mzoko hawu 99.5 yazi lo kahle.
Wena you have been given an opportunity.
Thumbs up, Game Show. And Mzoko Loco.
ohlele khona.
On 99.5. Yeah.
Wena abantu bakini bakunike i-opportunity kule ndumba le ohleli kuyo leyo lapha entwaseni. It's an opportunity for you. So nanoma bakuthumile wena you have been ukhishiwe ukuthi ungafuni ukwenza into engekho. Wena othi awunamali you go back and say anginamali ngizwile kodwa anginalutho ngenze njani. They will answer you. Wena othi hey umalume, hey angikhoni, abakhona ukungenzela, bayangilwisa, abafuni. Nawe you go back and you say ngizamile ukukhuluma nozibanibani, you go back emsamo wakho. Ngizamile ukukhuluma nabo, awubuyeli kumkhulu uthi mkhulu ekhaya bathi you go back emsamo wakho and say
Hayi ukuthi uhambe
ubanibani
kulwa
njengoba
muzo lapha onevene emhlophe ngaphandle lapha. Ahambe yana bese nizokhuluma nibambe meeting lapha
nendlu yama-boys.
Yeah. Endlu yama-boys lapha lo muzo blue lapha ya. Bese ngicabanga ukuthi come on man, pieces of shit.
Mkhulu. And then another thing. Hey, lezi ndlu zama-boys. Zizosha one day.
Ngozi yemoto. Uyabuza umbuzo ngozi yemoto. Nini? Izowenzeka nini?
And then another
Ayenzeke
thing,
phela
guys.
ingozi yemoto. Nini?
And wenkosi yemoto. But yazi another thing when I'm cool, I think people must realize ukuthi it's your journey, ne? It's not your
friends
sister's
or
journey, your
what.
mother or what. If you don't stand up for yourself, no one is going to stand up for you. If you don't help yourself, you will suffer. No one cares about you, basically. No one
Exactly.
cares about you. No one cares about your problems. No one cares ukuthi awulala ebusuku, inyawo ziyavuvuka, wenze njani, akunamuntu onendaba. No one cares. So it's up to you. If you are given an opportunity, use it. Leyo ukuthi uzobuya ubhala amabhayibheli, yena
Uba uzofunda leyo nto. Hey mina ngifunde leyo nto mina. Mina I'm very rude bra. Anginaso leso sikhathi. Don't owe you answers. Buze emsamo wakho. Fuck that shit.
Umsamo is there for a reason. Ukuthi bakuguide, bakuhambisa indlela. Those are the only people abanendaba nawe. Everyone else
advocate. Zokufonela manje yaso.
Everyone else does not care. Ukuthi how do you feel? Awulali. You are the one who is feeling the pain.
Sure.
Uwe ofila le pain le, no one else. So indlela yakho asindlela yakabanibani. It's not your husband's journey, it's not your wife's journey, it's not your child's journey, it's not your mother's journey, it's yours. And if you have to make tough decisions, unfortunately, sometimes uchubeke ngendlela yakho, some people need to fall off empilweni yakho. It's like that. Don't hang on to toxicity and think it's the way. No. Ngiyabonga.
Hayi number 1 ke sizokhuluma ne. All right
mkhulu.
Danko.
Thank you.
I told you in April, I'm putting Matosam 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. Hayi njalo ayijiki manje. Danko.